So what's up guys, welcome to Python tutorial, and in this class we will be studying about the set. So I'll open Python over here. I will say Alt F, create new file. Again I will say Alt plus F, and I'll be saving this file on the desktop. I'll give the name as set.py. I will save this, and now I will be declaring few variables. I will again say data1, and when it comes to the making use of set is specified with the curly brackets. And now let me give you the definition of set. Okay, so set is nothing but the collection which is unordered and unindexed. In the previous classes we have seen the list and the tuple. When it comes to the tuple, there was order, there was addition of the elements, and everything was indexed over there. Okay, so whenever you're accessing an element, you could have found that particular element of the item on that specific location. And when it comes to the tuples, you cannot change the items in the tuples, but you can access them. And when it comes to the set, in the set everything is unordered and unindexed. Okay, so whenever you want to add something or access something inside of set, you won't find any specific order or indexing of the items inside of a set. Okay, so now let's just see how to declare a set and how we can make use of it. So declare a variable whenever you want to use a set. Make use of the equal to operator, then make use of the curly bracket, and inside of that we will be specifying the items. Okay, so curly bracket, double quotes separated by the single quotes, double quotes separated by the single quotes, and let's just add some items. Then over again I am making use of the same items: January, February, March, April, then I'm making use of May, then comes the June. I'm saving this, and if I'm just giving the printout of this data1, and I'm just running this module, then I'm getting this output, which is January, April, February, June, March, May. As I've told you all earlier, everything is unordered over here and unindexed. Okay, so there is no order or the indexing. You all the items are like randomly printed. Okay, so currently just see the order. January is at the first index, at the 0 index, then the April, then February, then June, then March and May. And if I'm executing this file over again, you won't find these elements ordered in this manner. They will be again changing its place. Okay, so let's see. I will come over here and run the file, and now May is at the first position, then the June, then the March, then the April, February and the Jan. Okay, so they are just randomly printed out. There is no specific order or the index. So set is a little bit blunder. List is a good option because you can everything, all the items you can find at a specific index and specific location. You can change them, you can access them. But when it comes to the set is horrible. Now if I want to find a specific item inside of a set, then I can do that with the help of the if I want to I mean if I want to find the whether this list contains the item known as the March, then I will say if March, okay, so I'll be saying if March in data1, then 2 colons, print yes, it is present. Okay, I'll save this and I will run. Okay, so first I'm getting the printout of the list, and then it is saying yes, it is present because that particular item is there. That we are getting the printout of the list because of this statement. Okay, and if I'm just saying something like November, I'm just saving and executing the code over again. I won't be getting any output because November is not there, so because of which this condition won't be getting satisfied, and because of which this print statement, which is falling under this if statement, under the scope of this if statement, which because of which it won't be getting executed. Okay, so now let me just comment out this code. I will come down below. And next what I will do is, when it comes to the creating the item, you cannot change these items, you cannot change the items of this particular this set. Okay, so now this is a set what is created by us, which got some items. If suppose I want to change the value of the March to some other value, then I cannot do that, because as we have seen previously, all these items get executed in the random order, and to find a particular specific item inside of a set, it is not possible. So because of which we cannot replace or change or modify the items inside of a set. But if we want to add some new value inside of this set, we can do that, and we will be doing that with the help of the add function. So I will come down below and I will say data1 dot add, and then we will pass the value that pass the value in between of the double quotes. If suppose I want to pass the value as a December, then I can do that. Then after passing the value, I'll be giving the printout. I will say print data1. I will save this and run this code over again. As can be seen, I'm getting January, March, April, June, May, February and December. Okay, so December has been added over here. Okay, so only a difference with the set is that when it comes to the set or any other examples what we have seen, with the set you can just add something and you can remove some items. Okay, so if you want to add some few more items to this set what is created by us, you can do that. You can add the data. If you want to remove some data, you can remove that data, but you cannot find some specific data on a specific location and you can change that. Okay, so changing is not available, but rest everything is available. Okay, so now if you want to add multiple items to this set what is created by us, then you can do that. Now let me just show you how to add the multiple items. And in order to add the multiple items, we will be making use of the update function. Okay, so now I will give the name of our variable and I will say dot update, and this is our function. Okay, so inside of this function we will be passing a list kind of a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the list is specified with the square brackets. So now what I will do is I will add Monday, Tuesday, and I will add Wednesday. Okay, so what this will do is this will add this three more items to our set, which is data1. And if I'm just going and giving out the printout of data1, okay, there is a mistake over here. Okay, I don't know what, but unexpected indent. Okay, so now we are getting this output, which is June, March, Feb, Jan, April, Wednesday, Tuesday, May, Monday. Okay, so these items have been added. We were getting that error because we had given space over here. Okay, indentation is important when it comes to the Python, so just make sure that everything is well intended. Now suppose I want to remove a specific item from our set, we can do that. If suppose I want to remove April from this data1, then I can do that with the help of the remove function. I will say data1 dot remove, and I will give the name of the item which I want to remove. Okay, so I want to remove April over here. I will save this and I will run the code. Okay, again we have given the space. I will run this over again. we didn't got output because we have not given the printout. I will say data1, I will save, and over again I will run this code. Okay, so now as can be seen that particular item has been removed from the set. Let me just minimize this. Now if suppose I want to remove the last item in this particular set, then I can do that with the help of the pop. We have seen what pop can do in our previous tutorial. Pop is basically a function used to remove the last element in your list or your set, whatever that is. So in this class we will see how to make use of pop with the help with set. So whenever we are like removing the last item from set, we cannot see what item has been removed, because everything over here is random. There is no specific order. Okay, so in order to check which item has been removed from our set, we will be assigning that item to a variable. Okay, so I will call it variable x. X is equal to data1 dot pop. Okay, so what this will do is whenever this sentence will be getting executed, it will be removing the last element from this data1, and it will be assigning that last removed element to the variable x. Okay, so now we just have to give the printout of variable x just to see which item has been removed. I will save this, and now I will execute. So when this code was executed, last item was May, and because of which it got removed, and we got this output as a May. Okay, so this is how you can catch the item which has been thrown from your set. Okay, in the previous tutorials we have seen how to make use of the clear function. Clear function is basically used to clear our when we made use of the clear function with the list, we were able to clear out all the items of our list. Okay, so now if I am just saying data1 dot clear, it will be clearing the all the items of our data1. Okay, so after application of this clear function, there will be nothing inside of our data1. We will be just getting some parentheses. Okay, so as can be seen, we are not getting anything because everything got cleared. Okay, so now if I'm just commenting out this part, and we have also learned something as a delete with the del. We will be now looking at how to make use of the del. So I will show you how to delete this entire set. I will make use of the del, then I will pass the name of our set what is created by us, which is the data1. After execution of this statement, this data1 set what is there will be getting deleted. I will save this and I will execute this code, and that data1 has been deleted. So this is how you can delete the set if you don't want, and if you want to remove the last element, make use of the pop. If you want to clear your set, make use of the clear function. And now I will show you how to make use of the union. Okay, so in order to make use of the union is basically a function which is used to unite or add something. So let me create one more set known as a data2, and to this I will pass few things. I will say Monday, Tuesday. You can give any items. Okay, there is no restriction over here. And now I will come down below, and I will say data3, which is basically the third set what I am declaring over here. And I will say data1 dot union, and inside the parentheses of this union function I will say data2. Okay, so what this will do is, Okay, so what this will do is it will combine all the items of data 1 and data 2, where data 1 is one set and data 2 is another set, and now third set will be created, which is data 3, and all the items of data 1 and data 2 will be getting mixed or added. And now let me just give the printout. I will say data 3. If I'm just saving and running this code, then I'm getting this output, okay, which is actually combining all the items of set 1 and the set 2. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This was all about the sets which you will encounter inside of Python.